How to custom ringtone iPhone. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to custom ringtone iPhone. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, we just need to head over to our settings, and once you're in there, just scroll down until you can see the sounds and haptics. So click on that, and from there you can see this ringtone right here. So click on ringtone, and as you can see, this is my ringtone right now. So if I want to custom ringtone, then what I can do is to just click on this tone store right here, and once you click on that, it will proceed you to the iTunes store. So in here you can see a lot of ringtones that you can use. So for example, you want to use this, then you can just need to click on this right here in order to use it. You can also search in here for tones. You can see the charts right here. You can search for genres like this, and just click on this button again in order to use this as a ringtone. Then it will be added to your list right here, and you can now select it. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to custom ringtone iPhone. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!